Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be talking about 20 best virtual data room software in 2023. Let's go. VDRs or secure online repositories where businesses can store and share confidential documents. VDRs are often used for high-risk transactions such as mergers and acquisitions, due diligence, and fundraising. When choosing a VDR software, there are a number of factors to consider such as security features, ease of use, and pricing. Here are 20 best video software in 2023: Intralinks, SecureDocs, Merrill Datasite, DealRoom, Datasite, Box, Dropbox, Citrix, IBM, Microsoft, Ansarada, CapLinked, Digify, Firmex, Onehub, Donnelley, DataRoom, Syncplicity, ContractZen, eFileCabinet. Factor to consider when choosing a video software. When choosing a video software, there are a number of factors to consider. Security features. Videos should offer robust security features to protect your confidential documents. Look for features such as encryption, access control, activity tracking, and auditing. Ease of use. Videos should be easy to use for both administrators and users. Look for a video that has a user-friendly interface and that offers good customer support. Pricing. VDRs can vary in price depending on the features and storage space you need. Compare the pricing of different video providers before you make a decision. Additional factors to consider. In addition to the factors listed above, there are a few other things to consider when choosing a video software. Compliance. If you are subject to any industry-specific security regulations, make sure that the video software you choose can help you to comply with those regulations. Collaboration features. Videos should offer collaboration features such as documentation, file versioning, and Q&A. This can help to facilitate communication and collaboration between users. Scalability. If you think your needs may grow in the future, choose a video software that is scalable. This means that the video software should be able to accommodate more users and documents as needed. Here are some additional tips for choosing a video software. Read reviews. Read reviews of different video software providers to get a better understanding of what other businesses have experienced. Get a free trial. Many video software providers offer free trials. This is a great way to try out a video software before you commit to a paid subscription. Compare features. Compare the features of different video software providers to find the one that best meets your needs. Ask for a demo. Many video software providers offer a demo. This is a great way to see how the video software works and to ask the provider any questions you have. I hope this video has been helpful for you guys. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment below. That's all for today. Hope you have understood the topic. Thank you so much everyone, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye.